TSA just gifted me their 32-liter backpack. I have tested a lot of TSA's backpacks, and what I love about these backpacks is that they're very well made and they have a lot of very smart pockets. So let me show you everything you get with this one. Now, to start off with, it has lots of different handles. It has a side handle, it has a strap right here where you could hook it over, say, a suitcase. It of course has your top handle, and then on the back you have really nice padded backpack straps along with a lot of nice thick padding along the back with kind of like open airways to help it breathe, and open mesh. Really nice and clean there. It then has nice clips that you can slide up or down to have the right place for your chest strap. And it also has a waist strap that is actually detachable if you don't want to use it. So if you don't want this waist strap at all, you can just remove it completely. So that's really clean. Definitely makes this into more of a day backpack versus more of a travel backpacking style backpack. And of course, as you'll see with this belt and with this chest strap, very adjustable. Now for all of the pockets, because there is a lot going on here, and it is a water resistant backpack, but it even has a special pocket for dry or wet. And that's this pocket right here that actually has that dry wet liner. So if you need to ensure that something is going to stay dry or wet, you'd put it in here so it'd be fully sealed. Nice and clean there. And then you have this quick top pocket here. This is a really nice pocket for, say, sunglasses, easy access items. And then this is your first main pocket. It's this nice huge one here. And the zippers on this are really solid. And this pocket, you can lock the zippers together if you want to. And there's a lot going on in this section. You have a little zipper pocket right here. And then you have this mesh pocket. This is to hold in all of your clothing. And then once you open that up, you just have this really nice large opening that is quite expandable, a lot of space to work with. And one of the cool elements with this is that underneath the tag right here, it actually has this little hidden pocket that's meant to put in a tracker. So if you need to track your luggage, it has a sneaky little spot for you to put that most people will never find. And then you have one more, a large pocket, and this one's really smart specifically for travel, as this is where you can quick access all your electronics for TSA check-ins and getting through security. You have this really, really nice sleeve for your laptop, and then just a simple zipper up here. As you can see, easy access. But what's nice about this one is it actually has some little separation as well. So you can put in, say, pins and notepads, things like that, easy access items. And then this entire base of this backpack is designed to have some shock absorption. So if it were to fall, it would protect your laptop or your electronics even more, especially if they're in the sleeve. And then finally, on the sides of the backpack, on the left side, you have a nice opening for a water bottle. Not a huge water bottle though. You can see it doesn't expand completely. And then it does have this zipper as well, which is almost like a little secret alcove that actually gives you a much larger access point for, say, a water bottle, a spot to hook some keys, another pocket, nice and clean. And then the right side echoes the left side, except it doesn't have the key hook as well. Overall, this is a very clean backpack with quite a lot of pockets and little secret pockets. Really great for quick trips, maybe quick flights. It's going to pack all the clothing you need, keep all your electronics quickly and easily accessible. And I really do love that little hidden spot for a tracker. So if you're looking for a great travel backpack, definitely consider this TSA 32-liter travel backpack.